Health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical and surgical expenses incurred by the insured. It can also cover other healthcare services, such as preventive care, prescription medications, and hospital stays. Health insurance can be obtained through private insurers, government programs, or employer-sponsored plans, and it can provide financial protection against high medical costs. Key components of health insurance. 1. Premiums. Definition. Premiums are the payments made by the policyholder to the insurance company, typically on a monthly basis, to maintain coverage. Variability. Premiums can vary based on factors such as the plan type, coverage level, policyholder's age, health status, and geographic location. 2. Deductibles. Definition. The deductible is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket for covered healthcare services before the insurance company starts to pay. Annual reset. Deductibles typically reset annually, and once the deductible is met, the insurer covers eligible expenses according to the policy terms. 3. Copayments and Coinsurance copayments. Copays. A fixed amount that the policyholder pays for specific healthcare services, such as doctor visits or prescription medications, at the time of service. Coinsurance. A percentage of the cost of covered healthcare services that the policyholder must pay after meeting the deductible. For example, if the coinsurance rate is 20%, the insurance company pays 80% of the cost, and the policyholder pays 20%. 4. Coverage limits. Annual and lifetime limits. Some health insurance plans may have limits on the amount of coverage provided per year or over the policyholder's lifetime. However, the Affordable Care Act, ACA, prohibits most private insurers from imposing lifetime and annual dollar limits on essential health benefits. Sublimits. Specific services or treatments, such as mental health services or physical therapy, may have separate limits within the overall policy. 5. Provider networks. In-network providers. Health insurance plans often have a network of preferred healthcare providers, doctors, hospitals, specialists, who have agreed to provide services at negotiated rates. Using in-network providers typically results in lower out-of-pocket costs for the insured. Out-of-network providers. Services received from providers not in the network may result in higher out-of-pocket costs or may not be covered at all. 6. Exclusions and limitations. Non-covered services. Health insurance policies specify certain services, treatments, or conditions that are not covered. These exclusions are clearly outlined in the policy document. Pre-existing conditions. The ACA prohibits insurers from denying coverage or charging higher premiums based on pre-existing conditions. However, this may vary for some plans, such as short-term health insurance. Types of health insurance plans. 1. Employer-sponsored health insurance. I. Definition group. Coverage. Employer-sponsored health insurance is provided by an employer as part of employee benefits. Employers often subsidize a portion of the premiums. B. Features. Group rates. Premiums are generally lower than individual plans due to group rates. Variety of plan options. Employers may offer different plan options, such as health maintenance organizations, HMOs, preferred provider organizations, PPOs, and high-deductible health plans, HDHPs, with health savings accounts, HSAs. 2. Individual and family health insurance. A definition. Direct purchase. Individual and family health insurance plans are purchased directly from insurance companies, either through health insurance marketplaces, exchanges, or from private insurers. B. Features. Customization. Policyholders can choose plans that best meet their coverage needs and budget. Regulation. Plans purchased through ACA marketplaces must cover essential health benefits and adhere to ACA regulations. 3. Government programs. A. Medicare eligibility. Medicare is a federal program for individuals aged 65 and older, as well as for some younger individuals with disabilities or specific medical conditions. Parts of Medicare: Part A, hospital insurance; Part B, medical insurance for outpatient services; Part C, Medicare Advantage plans offered by private insurers; Part D, prescription drug coverage;